Beer gone, beer gone.
I can't hear the TV.
This is Rob, and he is snoring like a fucking gorilla. Ready?
So what do you expect? You know, decent, hardworking American like my dad is getting run down by parents. Relax and
Take
break.
his bear. Gyrate the velocitator. Take his bear. Let's get those airplanes a-going.
Yeah, race related.
Show the bear.
Race related. It's crying. It's like.
You see how the team's gonna win, you're gonna react.
Black community, the Hispanic community, the Asian community.
Grab the
Grab the beer,
Grab
Andrew.
the beer.
Andrew, try to grab the beer.
No, they're not trying to their
Alright.
Try to grab the beer while you're taking
Alright, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try to get the beer from him and see if he reacts. He's selfish sometimes.
Florida. You know, in a generation, so what the fuck is that?
You get a fucking punch in the nut.
What does this have to do with the murder of your father?
Because my father was murdered doing his job. Putting out a fire in a fucking ignorant neighborhood. You shouldn't even
Don't
give a
answer
shit
that
about.
like that.
He got shot by a fucking drug dealer who probably was like a welfare check.
Character is required for research. This is something we gotta keep an eye on.
I'm not doing it. I don't write on Rob. I'll videotape his ass.
I'm going through the holes.
I haven't passed Ollie. What's the he played?
That was speech
Look
to
how he
no one.
sleeps. He's so quiet when he
It
sleeps.
used to be a great neighborhood.
We're about ready to go right on Ivan.
But when my dad moved us out here,
Oh my god, dude.
His girl's probably down to